Hi, today I'm having a go at running my Mastrand. It is a lovely engine, very nice condition, still got the original label on the boiler. It is a little bit lacking in paint on the firebox, but it's not too bad. All I did was clean it, no paint, just remove corrosion from bits that needed to be adjusted, like the nuts here. The burner is a fiddly little thing. All the ones I've seen on the web have a straight pipe coming out of the back, but this one has a kink in it. Whether the kink is to prevent fuel coming out of the pipe and causing the usual flamethrower effect, I don't know. Huge amount of prime in there. Try and spin it the right way. Okay, second attempt. I found there was a blockage in the steam inlet pipe in the back of the cylinder, which I cleared. And I cleared the pipe, the steam pipe, which also seemed to have some blockages in it. I've put an O-ring on the safety valve. Okay, so I've decided the problem is with the burner, because the wicks were too tight in the holes and certainly wasn't a good flame coming off it. So I'm now going to try with a slimline Mamod MM1 burner. So this is my last attempt. I've turned the engine around because there is a breeze blowing along the patio, so maybe that wasn't helping, but all seems a bit peripheral to me. Truth is, there is a fundamental issue with this engine and it won't run. Attempt number 6. O-ring on the safety valve, reface the cylinder block and the back of the cylinder, because there was a lot of wear there. Put a different spring on the cylinder block. The one that was there, I think, was biro spring, very soft. So this has got a bit more get up and go. That's about it really, using the original burner. Okay, another fine bit of fettling to do here. Oh. Okay, so same burner, but I've adjusted the wicks because for some reason they were very, very low. So I've given them... is that a hiss from the safety valve? Yes. Have I solved the problem? Wow. It's almost running properly. Let's wait for the whistle. I don't know what that noise is. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The single most truculent engine I've got in my collection so far. And after many hours of trying, I finally got it going. And you are the messiest, dirtiest engine in my collection. So do not be surprised if I don't run you too often.